Meg of California Grown here, and today we are making a simple SoCal Sangria. Start by juicing 2 limes. Add the lime juice to a pitcher with 2 cups of freshly squeezed California orange juice. Drizzle in a few tablespoons of California honey and give it all a stir. Add an entire bottle of Zinfandel from California and stir again. Add slices of citrus and refrigerate for a few hours to let the flavors mingle. To serve, pour the SoCal Sangria over ice. You'll always be the life of the party when you bring the SoCal Sangria. Happy sipping!